Hey guys, in this video I will show you recover your Gmail account without password, without any number and without recovery email. So here are many accounts which I have recovered recently. So these accounts I have recovered. Now I will show you live proof that how you can recover your account easily. So first you have to go to download Opera browser. Without Opera browser you cannot recover your Gmail account. So this is the browser which is mini Opera browser, which is AI browser with VPN. So you can easily recover your Gmail account with this. Make sure to subscribe Tech Jeyni channel so you never miss out the latest updates about Gmail recovery. So now we will start our method. So this is the method which is you can go Opera browser, and this is the browser, and let's open it and continue and press the button which is start browsing and select letter, and now you have to write here Gmail recovery via SMS. So you have to give your any kind of number to them so you can recover your Gmail account easily. So here is the first option which comes recover your password via text message. So click on this and you will land here. Now click on this and these are the option which is Gmail help and sign in, and you have to go there is password recovery options. This is the option which you have to go. I have recovered so many Gmails as I showed you proof. So if you want to recover your Gmail, you can contact with me. You have to go there sign in. Do not go there upper side, go lower side and click here sign in. And this is I will write here my email address, and this is my email address. Now click on next button, and after next button you will land here, and now this is the button of forgot password. We don't have any kind of password, so click on forgot password. After that enter a 8-digit backup code. So if anybody have hacked your ID, so you don't have any 8-digit backup code, click on try another way. And after that I will find here that any kind of number. I don't have any kind of number, so I will click try another way. So I have now these two options which is two emails. One is for recovery email and one is same Gmail. I don't have any kind of Gmail, so I click on try another ways. Please don't skip any part of the video, because you skip some parts your account will never recover again. So make sure to watch full video and click on this. So now I will click on yes it's me, because I am doing. So I will select yes it's me. After selecting yes it's me, my Gmail is open. So now let's check my Gmail is open or not. Another option is coming which is two-step verification. So this is the option which have two option. One is resend it and one is try another way. So we will click on try another way. So after try another way, this is we will click on try another way, and let's see what option is coming. So this is the ID which I have recovered. So this way you can easily recover any kind of Google account. If you want to recover your Gmail account and you don't have any password, any number, any recovery email, you can also contact with me. I will recover your Gmail account. Make sure to subscribe Tech Jeyni channel. So in future I will upload more helpful videos for you. So make sure to subscribe Tech Jeyni channel.